Take care, 383, Moonshine. Modified ground plane, 250B, nothing more, nothing less. Goddamn. Well, yeah, everybody Moonshine with a shoot cut me. If you modify, they cut me. I need you to come down here to the BYU country in the modified line. Or you modify yours, cut me because you smoking. I need you to come modify this cut me. You modify down here in the BYU country, man. No doubt, man. All right, Moonshine, it's a pleasure always. Mr. Moonshine, your baby brother in the swamp, got down. Well, Tim, I guarantee you, man, I wish I had an email or something like that. I got some specs, man. I do a lot of computer software designing of Yagis, beams, what have you. And I got something, for you. And I'll be glad to help you out. Hey, take care, 383, till we can do it again. You Moonshine. I'm going to do like Rooster. I'm going to share it around. Sorry, Moonshine. All right, mighty fine over here, don't you, cousin? Baby brother, where you at? Go on. Lord, I'll see you. I'm going to. Stand back. Mother Nature really can't make a noise. I want you to know, man. It's right here. It's all right. 129, let's be told. But it was worth it.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. I was rolling the gate on that too. That was good because I was flipping back and forth, getting you loud on vertical, getting 383 loud on flat.
Weird. Hey, Brian Russell, can I sell on to get your video?
It was rough, but I think you said 702. Correct me if I'm wrong. 702, Blind Rooster reading this mail.
So you got to sort of listen more. Most ain't paid these. Them got big, ain't paid these phone bill. Blind Rooster 304 on your mail. Put it back in the rack.
Hey, 304, you said it's hard times in Mississippi. Them boys ain't paid their phone bill. Yeah, that's what you said. You covered up 701 or 702 or whoever that was trying to call the Blind Rooster. Hey, 304, shame on you. You blowing smoke in the Carolinas, big brother. But I know about them hard times in Mississippi because I'm from Vicksburg. Now you know why I'm in the Kakalakis. I'm like, wow.
I can't realize it. 304 got all of that. Loud and proud shit, man. Hey, you know them 10-8 numbers? You just laid them all on me. 304 got it all. Hey, you made it sound so easy. 304 put it back in the rack. So you don't want to get run over because you know I'm in the middle of the road. 304 Cadillac, yeah. Break. Laying it back.
14, Mr. 304. You got up, I got down. I hope I didn't get your thumb. 304 in the mag. 73, love to the family, big brother. My homeboy, 304. Blind Rooster in these Carolinas. I see you, bye.